how is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Finally I got the One UI 5 Beta 3 on my S22 Ultra, and one amazing feature that has been added is the lock screen customization. I know Apple already added this feature in the latest iOS 16 where you can customize your lock screen. But now even if you don't have an iPhone, you will still be able to change the entire look of your Samsung lock screen in the latest One UI 5.0. With that being said, in today's video, I will be showing you all the changes and new features that has been added in the Beta 3 of One UI 5.0. So stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Guys, the update size is around 1.4 GB in size, and I have already installed this massive update on my Samsung phone. First things first, let's start off with the lock screen. When I long press on my lock screen, it asks me to enter my password, and once I do that, I get all the options to customize my lock screen. I just need to tap on this clock and it gives me a bunch of different options. I can change the font style, and I can also increase or decrease the size of this clock. Apart from this, there are different clock styles that you can choose from, and even it lets you to change the color of your clock. So here you can choose a perfect color depending on your lock screen wallpaper. Once you are done customizing the clock, then you can select how you want your notifications appear in the lock screen, and you can increase or decrease the opacity as well. The next thing you can do is you can add your phone number or email address in the lock screen so you can be contacted when your phone is missing. I think it's a really good security feature that has been added in One UI 5.0, and I will highly recommend you to display your contact information. Not only this, Samsung also added some brand new wallpapers specially designed for your lock screen, and if you really want to access those wallpapers, simply click on this icon that is on the top left, and here you get some exclusive wallpapers, and they definitely looks really nice on your lock screen. I know this lock screen customization feature is heavily inspired from iOS, but still I am glad they have added this feature because I love customizing my Android phone. The next change I have noticed in Beta 3 is when I go to settings, select wallpaper and style, and then go inside browse wallpapers. Here you can see another revamp where it shows all your wallpapers in different categories, and it does look nice and clean. Apart from this, Samsung also improved the animations, and they have added some new animations in the Beta 3. So let's quickly take a look at all the animations. I think the animations are really nice, and I can definitely notice some difference in terms of smoothness. They look much better and smooth when compared to the previous version. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you really want me to make a comparison video between the Samsung One UI 5.0 versus the iOS 16, then let me know in the comments section. I will definitely make it. And if you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android, and I will see you guys in the next one.